Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3BA. This is Vijay Kumar. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of record trigger flowing Salesforce. The scenario is create two record type of on contact, name is sales marketing and second is a customer marketing. After that, we will be create two custom field on account. First is a total sales marketing and second is a total customer marketing. Then we will be calculate the total number of related record of sales marketing and customer marketing on contact object. So let's get move on the Salesforce credential. This is my Salesforce credential developer out. So first we will be create two record type on contact object. So first select object manager, contact, record type, and we'll create two record type here. Record type label and record type name. So first record type label sales marketing. Copy and paste the name of the sales marketing. Next. Save as new. Select page layout. I'm selecting contact layout. Save as new. After that, I will create second record type, customer marketing, copy, page layout, sales, existing record type, sales marketing, record page type, customer marketing, and make available all of the profile, page layout, contact layout, save as new. So I have created two record type. After that, I will create two custom field on account. So go to the account object, field and relationship, new. I will create data type number. Next, field will be, the name of the field will be first total sales marketing. Decimal place is 0. Next, available for all the profile. Next, save as new. And second, total customer marketing. Select number. Next, 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 and save. So I created two custom field on contact. Both are the numbered field. After that, calculate the total number of related record of sales marketing and customer marketing on contact object. So now I will create a flow. So here, search flow. Create new flow. Select record trigger flow. Here is the name of the object will be contact. If contact is created, so I will select first one. Make the credential. So all credential if related list. I am updating the related list of account. So here account ID not equal to false. then done. I am changing the layout freeform. So here we will first get the record type name. So get record type name of. So go to the object. I have created record type on contact. So go to the contact. The contact there is a record type. I have created two record type: customer marketing and sales marketing. So first I will get the sales marketing. The record type name. So sales marketing record type name is record type. So I am editing this value. Record type name will be sales marketing and sales underscore marketing. And same I will update the customer marketing. Customer marketing here is correct. So I will get the sales marketing record type name. So this is a developer name. So go to the flow. Get record type name of sales marketing. You can sales marketing. Object name will be record type. Record type is also a object. And here developer name equal to value will be pass the sales marketing and done. After getting the sales marketing record type, I will get also customer marketing. So we get record, get customer marketing record type. Object name will be record type. Developer name equal to, and second record type is customer name. This is record type name is equal to customer name. This is copy and paste here. Done. Match the arrow. So I get a both of the record type. After that, I apply the decision. So will be two outcome here for the marketing team. Second is a customer team. So decision for sales marketing team. Decision for sales marketing team. No, here I can write decision to check. There are two outcome here. First, decision for sales marketing. And the source record type dot record type ID. This is record type ID is equal to get. There are two get record type customer marketing and there is a sales marketing. First will be sales marketing dot record type ID and done. And second outcome will decision for customer marketing. The decision for customer marketing, same resource record dot record type ID is equal to this time I will get customer marketing. So get customer marketing dot record type record type ID. This one and done. So I get customer marketing after making a decision. After that, I will get the related list of the contact. So based on the record type. So here I will get a get record, get sales marketing record. So I will get a related list of that is will belong to the marketing sales marketing team of contact. So object name will be contact and here record ID. It is lookup field between account and contact. Record ID is equal to record. Record is a global variable. Record that account ID. This one. And also I add record type is equal to get sales marketing team record ID. Get record type get sales marketing record type ID dot record type ID. Done. Decision for sales marketing. So here I am fetching all of the sales marketing type record related to the account. So because I am fetching all of the records, so I will select all record here. Now I need to create a new variable for the counting. So create new resource variable API name count record data type will be count number and done. I created a count variable. After that I will create a assignment. So select assignment assign to count record and here variable will be count record equal count get sales marketing get sales record get sales marketing, record of contact, this one, and done. After that, we need to update the account record. So select update record, update account record, specify condition, identify record, select this specify condition, object name, account, object name will be account, and here will be match the account ID, account ID equal to record dot account ID. If account ID match the related list of contact account ID, then we will update the field. So field update will be, so here we will select the total sales marketing. So if sales marketing record created, then it will be stored in the sales total sales marketing. So here I am selecting total sales marketing and value will be on record and done. Match the arrow. So one part has been completed. So now I will working on second part. So in the decision, there are two outcomes: decision for sales marketing and decision for customer marketing. So sales marketing has been completed. Now I am working on second part, customer marketing. So same, I will get the record of the customer marketing. So simply copy, duplicate from here, match the arrow. This decision for customer marketing done, and here we will update account ID and record tag equal to, and we will change the record ID for the customer marketing. This is a sales marketing. Here I will change the customer marketing. So get, this is the customer marketing record tab dot record tab ID. So this is the customer dot record tab ID. Record tab ID and done. So I get the related list of record tab ID for customer marketing. Then make a decision assignment. So duplicate the assignment, match the arrow. Here on point is equal to get sales marketing. Instead of the sales marketing, I will get it. So here I am getting for the rename the sales marketing to customer marketing. Customer marketing record, and this customer marketing record will assign. So after that, get customer marketing I assignment. So here I will assign that is getting from customer marketing to get customer marketing. This one and done. So in this, I get after that, copy the update record, duplicate from here, match the arrow, and update the record ID public total customer marketing. and country record, assign the value country record to the same and done. Now I am setting the flow. The flow name will be calculate total number of record from record using record type. Total number record using record type, then save. After that, I am activating this flow. Now go to the account object, open any of the record, check there is a no contact here. So in the detail of the account, I am creating two custom fields, total sales marketing. I created two fields on custom object in the starting of the tutorial, total sales marketing and total customer marketing. So if data type of sales, then it will store the total number of sales, and if the record type of contact is customer marketing, then total number of record will display on the total customer marketing. So now go to the related list. There is no contact here, so I am creating new contact. There are two type of record data type. So first I am creating a sales marketing, or selecting a sales marketing, then click next. So I am creating one record for sales team contact one. It is a last name field directory. A command name is w3web.net is already selected. Now go to the save. One record of contact inside of the record data type sales marketing team. Created. Then go to the detail of the account, and here you can see total sales marketing one record available. So display one record. If I go to the select list of the contact, click new. This time I am creating customer marketing team. Customer marketing team will be available in the total customer record. So go to the new customer contact, customer contact record. So this time I am selecting customer marketing team data type. So creating new, it will be displayed on the customer marketing. This is a customer marketing, and go to detail of the account. This time this time record display on the customer marketing team. If I am creating another one record contact, I am selecting new sales, it will be displayed. It will be one record is already available, and I am creating new record of contact for the sales marketing. So 1, 2, 4 sales. I am writing the name of the last name and then save. It will be displayed. So before one is already existed, now it will be displayed two record. So there are two record related to the sales marketing, and there are one record related to the customer marketing. So do in your org. If you getting anything issue, please write in comment box. And friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.